Welcome back. Having a great smile is important for a good first impression, and our next guest knows that better than most because she's a dentist. Great teeth are important for an attractive smile, but taking care of our dental health is also about total body wellness. And here to explain is Dr. Yudoka Holinbeck with Bionica Dental Wellness. Good morning to you, doctor.
Good morning, Molly. How are you?
I'm doing great. I think it's so true that when we think about going to the dentist or we think about our dentist, we think it's just all about our teeth and that's it.
Yeah, and absolutely it's not. I mean, one thing that makes our practice really, really unique is that we practice under the philosophy that total body health, the foundation for total body health is in the mouth. And there's really nothing that you're going to do in the mouth that's not going to affect the rest of the body and vice versa. So longer gone those days where we treat teeth in dentistry like carpentry. It's not the case at all. It's important to have a biological and comprehensive approach to your oral health.
You know, the first time I ever kind of made that connection or understood that connection was when I was pregnant with my oldest daughter. And in so many of the pregnancy books, they talk about seeing the dentist and it being important to your overall health. And at the time, I was not familiar with that idea and why it was critical to maintaining good dental health to have a healthy pregnancy.
No, you're absolutely right. And a lot of people have a similar experience to yours, but the research and the studies are really, really clear. I mean, something like bone infection, tooth infection, we're seeing linked to heart disease, Alzheimer's being linked to periodontal and gum disease. So the connection is really obvious, and it's important that we respect that.
Doctor, tell us a little bit about metal-free dentistry, because this is something that I think people have heard about maybe for a little while, but what are some examples of it?
Yeah, that's a great question. And let me touch on why metal-free dentistry is important in the first place, because like we talked about, the mouth is connected to the whole body, and we live in an increasingly toxic environment. So whenever we can reduce that toxic load or that load of inflammation or autoimmune responses or triggering, that's what we want to do. So our office focuses a lot on materials that we use in the biocompatibility of that. So one of the most basic or straightforward ways to do that is to practice metal-free dentistry, because we know that metals can have a challenge as far as compatibility in the mouth. So one obvious example is crowns, right? We used to need to use metal in crowns, but now we've got ceramic options that are just as strong, if not more durable, and they have an impeccable aesthetic to them. Even fillings, traditionally fillings were made of, the silver, and we know that there's mercury content in there that can be a challenge to the body and definitely the environment. And we've got alternatives to that. Partial dentures as well, we can do in a flexible material and avoid the metal. Probably the most popular thing or the most unique thing our office is known for is our metal-free implants, or our bioceramic implants.
Tell us about those. Is this something that's new? I bet they look great.
They look fantastic. So bioceramic implants are metal-free dental implants, and they look great. I mean, the interesting thing about it is in the development of these type of implants, it wasn't about aesthetics at all. It was really about establishing something that was much healthier for the system. And in doing so, we came up, not me personally, but something was fabricated that was incredibly aesthetic. There's something interesting about health and beauty. And we're finding that things that are functionally correct tend to automatically carry with them good aesthetics. So bioceramic implants do something very similar.
Speaking of that, you have a absolutely gorgeous smile. I'm sure.
Oh, you're so sweet. Thank you.
Well, I bet with what you do, you want to have a great smile, but really, you've got a megawatt, beautiful white smile. So good for you. You obviously do good work, because it's fantastic. We're running out of time, but just real quickly, doctor, if you tell us about this, I'm just curious if it's experimental technology or if this is sort of tried and true at this point.
Very good question. It's tried and true. We're getting the back end of it here in the US, but in Europe, they've been using bioceramic implants, not just in the teeth and the hips and other parts of the body. We've got information and scientific evidence to show that these are really successful in not just giving us good aesthetics, but maintaining our total body health and making treatment more biocompatible.
I bet people love coming to see you.
They do.
It was so nice to meet you. You do have a
Thanks,
beautiful
Molly.
smile. Thank you so much.
I appreciate it. Take good care.
You too. And here's a great thing. The first 5 people to call Bionica Dental Wellness will receive their implant digital planning and the consultation at no charge. Here's the phone number to call. It's 262-746-7152. For more information, you can also check out their website at bionicadentalwellness.com.